Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. I have an announcement to make. It's a life update that I want to share with you guys, which I've been holding from quite some time. So, is it that did I change my job, or did we buy a new house, or something else? Or what is it? People did start to notice, I guess. So it is what it is. I am pregnant, and also, yes, I did change my job also. So that's something like two life updates. So maybe that's the reason I was kind of, you might have noticed I was away from YouTube for quite some months. I was inactive, missing in action for sometimes some months. So yeah, the news is I am pregnant. Pregnancy was very emotional moment for me. I did not record that video of the pregnancy test and showing to my family and family reaction video. I did not record it because I could not control myself. I mean, I was initially weeping, that is, I was crying. Then tears just started to flow down, that when I saw that I saw two lines on that pregnancy kit. And then we went to the hospital to get the beta hcg and the test, a urine test done and all that. So it was like total confusion that day. My husband, Guruji, was like, when he saw the pregnancy test kit that it was two lines, he was very happy. But then he's like, let's get the medical test also done. Let's get a blood test done to be sure. So he was like, he wanted to be totally sure before he celebrated. But I was already celebrating the moment I saw that pregnant urine test kit with pregnancy positive news. There itself I was celebrating, but he wanted to be 100%, 200% sure. He's like, yeah, this is very nice, congrats to us, that let's get a blood test done. So that was the initial reaction. Pregnancy is a phase that everybody wants to go through. Motherhood is a phase that everybody prays for. So I hope, I wish to all my viewers, whoever is wanting to try to get pregnant or wants to have a child, I pray to God that get to enjoy this phase of life too. All the best wishes to you, whoever is trying. I hope you too can enjoy the pregnancy and motherhood journey. I was keeping it to myself for quite some time now, because it's too early to announce, I felt, in the initial months. And the doctor that I was consulting with initially wasn't also very supportive of telling it to the outside world. She said, hang on, wait for 3 months, because a lot of issues with people these days and a lot of uncertainty there is. So wait for 3 months and then you can tell people around, is what she said. So you can tell to your immediate family, but not outside. So the first 3 months went that way. And yeah, I was extremely nauseous and feeling vomiting sensation, morning sickness I did have. I had a lot of acid reflux also, that burning sensation here in the throat. All of that I had. 3 months passed by, and in the first 3 months, almost every 1 or 2 weeks, we were asked to get scans done. So all was normal then. And then third month was NT scan. So that was to check for how the baby is doing and all that. So that went good. Still, the doctor wasn't very supportive of telling to the outside world. She said, no, let's hang in, let's wait for the anomaly scan that happens in the fifth month, and then you can tell people. So I was also kind of in that mode, that I shouldn't tell people. And then fifth month scan happened. Fifth month scan was anomaly scan. So that was that if there is any defect, birth defect, that is detected in the child, so that the scan would tell that. And after the scan, so we asked, is it all normal, all good? And the doctor was like, this scan catches most of the anomalies, but I cannot still guarantee you that there will not be any anomaly or any other issue. So that felt very discouraging, the way the doctor was talking. Here, we have a 5th month pregnancy ritual. So that is it's like a green themed ritual, where not like a ritual but kind of like some celebration where it's all, green themed, where you wear green saris, the backdrop is green, the sweets are green, everything is green, and there's nothing, basically you wear green bangles, your mother-in-law and mother make you wear green bangles, and if at all there are gifts, all in green. So that was the ritual, and I wanted it to happen in Udupi. So we were in Bangalore that time, and all of this was happening in Bangalore. And the doctor, I asked, can I travel to Udupi in flight or by train? Of course, by bus is not advisable, or by car or road is not advisable. I do know that. So I asked, can I travel by train or by flight? The doctor said no. The doctor was like, you better get your baby delivered here, and then you can go wherever you want to go. So this was like a final nail in the coffin for me, that this is not going the right way. Doctor was a part of a big chain of hospitals in Bangalore, mind you, and I kind of felt that they were, fear mongering me. I didn't like the way that things were going there. I talked to a friend of mine, and she recommended me her doctor. So she was very nice. This doctor, new doctor that I started visiting to, she was very sweet, very nice. You can travel to your hometown, go safely, have a change of mind and change of place, travel by train, take care, and eat lots of fiber and fruits, and a good amount of water and all that. So that was very supportive of her, and I've been still in touch with her throughout my pregnancy, and I used to visit her for with my scan reports and all of that. So she was very sweet. Now, as I delayed telling, making this announcement, I am currently almost 7.5 months pregnant now. So there were various videos that I shot over the months of pregnancy where I was actually pregnant. Since I was already fat, and I did have a big stomach before getting pregnant, so I guess it was not kind of very evident. So yeah, I'm in Udupi now, and I plan to get delivered here in Udupi itself. Next series of content is going to be pregnancy content, I guess. So I did shoot my 5th month pregnancy vlog, the celebration vlog, which will come next, and after that will come the Seemanta vlog. And yeah, we did some jewelry shopping, so jewelry shopping vlog, and then Seemanta vlog, and then my Gurbini Javan, that is, what do you say, baby shower from the mother's side. Yeah, those kind of content coming soon. I hope I can edit fast and put it before I before I deliver, because after that I don't know what's going to happen. So I hope you stick along, support me, and I need all your best wishes through this new journey of mine. Please pray for me. Oh yeah, this was my Seemanta Mehendi, which was done by Mehendi by Purvi Devadiga. She drew very beautiful mehendi. You can see all of this in the later videos. So this is all faded away, but it's organic cone. It's been there for now almost 10 days. It's fading very slowly. It's not peeling off. So she's very nice. She's best at her work. Mehendi by Purvi is her name. So that's it I have for this video. Lots of good content coming up. I hope you will like it, and please do subscribe if you're new, and hit that like button, and please do pray for me. Yay! Happy 2 months to us, not anniversary. It's this. No, this is actually my food tummy, but I'm pregnant. So the baby is this small, I guess, right now. Baby is too small right now. It's like what, this small, 1 centimeter or something. It's now 7 weeks, and we are celebrating it with a cake here. So I did not eat any sweet for past three months or so, I guess. So this is the first small cake which we got. Throughout the months, probably I share, and you'll see this video somewhere later in the months of pregnancy. Yes. It's been too much acid reflux, burning sensation here and in the stomach for me. And every 2 hours I need to eat. Otherwise, I'll start feeling pukish. Otherwise, there's no pukish sensation, nausea, nothing. But if I don't eat anything, that's the nausea I have. And then little trouble sleeping. Apart from that, going all good. That's it I have for this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.